Alright, this is a cold start video. I know you can't tell by the weather, but the next scene will be in very stark contrast to what this is right now. This video was shot months ago, but I kind of sat on it for a while because I didn't think it was that interesting. I mean, it's an '09 Civic. Who cares about an '09 Civic? It's a car you're not supposed to care about. But I shot the video, and I had the content just sitting around. It's time we put it out. So a lot of people have been asking, and by that I mean no one has been asking, how I shoot these cold start videos, because I think they're the best cold start videos, short of that zip tie guy. So we're gonna, I'll show you some things about some cameras, some audio, whatever, or whatever, just a cold start video. This is really just filler, really. So enjoy. 2009 Honda Civic. That's junky, but I mean, it's not really junky, but it's way too junky to be a 12-year-old car, really. Wait, 12? Yeah, about 12 years old. It is split level and low miles, but it's already had a transmission issue with black fluid, and that got completely swapped out. Filters, transmission service, it needed a new condenser, that got swapped out. It needed a new compressor, that was swapped out. It's got a new power steering rack in it, and it sounds like it's needing one again. So Honda appears to have lost their way, judging by my sample level of 1, because this thing is a hoopty. I'm gonna let this warm up, but it's got this handy safety feature. Or it's broken. More towards broken. Let that warm up, and let's go start this 2009 Honda Civic. Got 3 minutes to do it because this thing's running out of memory. Yeah, that's why I moved it down there. It's so cold. In the van? On the way. Yeah. I'm fine, Mom. I don't know why we're bothering to record the engine, not like it does anything interesting. Cold start of my mom's car. Whew. Jeez. Getting some feeling back in there. I suppose she was right. I should be out with gloves. This thing stops beeping. 2009 Honda Civic, base model, everything. It's got the automatic. It's got 78,000 miles. So you'd think this is be running pretty good, but now it needs one of everything in every single fluid, and a second steering rack, and it has black transmission fluid supposedly. Everything needs to be fixed. See how she does. Cold. So since the van was having some trouble, I needed to go to the grocery store yesterday. We visited my mom for the weekend, and we warmed this up for 10 minutes, and we drove it all the way to the grocery store. I didn't want to drive the van, because you heard that thing. Preceding video, probably. And then I did grocery shopping and went out, and by the time I got back, that cold temperature had not moved at all. It was still on the sea. Maybe the cat can warm me up. Well, look at that nice island. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to do all those YouTube things that you're supposed to. Talk about the car down below. Subscribe, all that.